Number 1. 1994 Ford F150, price $4,500, well-maintained pickup that remains in excellent overall condition and is completely rust-free. It has accumulated 195,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. The truck features a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance that reflects the care it has received over the years. As a two-wheel drive model, this F-150 is well suited for daily driving and highway use. The drivetrain was professionally rebuilt a few years ago and has approximately 60,000 miles since the rebuild, providing added peace of mind and reliability. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain operate as they should, and the truck drives straight and comfortably at highway speeds. There is no body damage, and all components and features are in proper working order. Number 2. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995, well-maintained pickup that runs and drives perfectly. It has 201,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 5.3L V8 engine. The truck features a 4x4 drivetrain with the Z71 off-road package, making it capable both on and off the road. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title. The vehicle has recently passed Pennsylvania inspection and emissions and includes a tow package for added utility. It is fitted with a Bluetooth radio for modern convenience. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new front left CV axle, a new fuel pump, rebuilt heads and top end, new cam and crank sensors, a new thermostat, and new idler and pitman arms. The tires are like new, further contributing to its excellent driving condition. Number 3. 1988 Ford F350, price $8,500, powered by a 460 gas engine with an automatic transmission and has 144,000 miles. It features a blue exterior and blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has received extensive maintenance, including ice-cold AC with a new compressor, along with a new alternator, steering box, starter, and battery. The fuel system has been fully refreshed with new fuel tanks, sending units, 3 fuel pumps, and a factory OEM fuel selector, as well as new injectors, plugs, and wires. Additional upgrades include new headlights, taillights, cab lights, brand new tires, new seat upholstery, a new headliner and carpet, new power window motors, a new wiper motor, a newer rear bumper, and a front leveling kit with an arm drop kit. Number 4. 1987 Ford F150, price $6,450, with approximately 185,000 miles, powered by a 4.9L inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and a short gearbox. The truck features a beige exterior complemented by a matching beige interior, giving it a classic and original appearance for its year. It is important to note that the truck is not currently running. The sale includes only purchase and sale paperwork, and there is no title available. This F-150 may be suitable as a project truck, parts vehicle, or restoration candidate for someone familiar with classic Ford pickups. Number 5. 1998 GMC 1500, price $4,300, well-maintained truck that runs strong and performs as it should. It has 139,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and is configured as a 2WD, making it a practical and efficient choice for daily driving or light-duty work. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents well for its age. Inside, the interior is in good condition, and all features and controls are reported to be working properly. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 V8 engine, known for its durability and dependable performance. The engine runs well and provides strong power, making this GMC a reliable option for anyone looking for a classic full-size pickup. Number 6. 1998 Ford F150, price $3,500. The truck runs and drives, but it currently has an engine misfire, so it will need attention or repair. Despite this, it remains a great candidate for someone who plans to fix the existing motor or install a replacement. The standout feature of this F-150 is its exceptionally clean, 100% rust-free body. Originally from Washington, it has clearly been well preserved and is described as one of the cleanest bodies you will find for a truck of this age. The four-wheel drive system adds to its appeal, making it a solid platform for work, off-road use, or a restoration project. Number 7. 1993 Ford F-150, price $9,500. It has 220,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, making it a great choice for those who prefer a more engaging driving experience. The truck runs on gasoline and features a blue exterior with a gray interior, both of which remain in original condition. It is powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine and includes cold air conditioning that works properly, ensuring comfort in warm weather. The truck also comes with power windows, adding convenience to its classic design. Recent maintenance and upgrades include brand new tires, a new exhaust system, and new side mirrors, all contributing to better performance and appearance. For audio and security, this F-150 has been upgraded with a new radio, amplifier, subwoofer, and new speakers, providing a solid sound system, along with an alarm system for added protection. Number 8. 1993 Dodge D150, price $6,500. It features a white exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline. This setup is hard to find, especially with the factory 3.92 rear differential. The truck has been owned for 2 years and was previously parked at 56,000 miles, with about 20,000 miles added since. The speedometer only worked briefly on the first drive, but the truck runs and drives like a low-mileage vehicle. Cruise control and overdrive stopped working at the same time and are believed to be sensor-related, as both worked perfectly before. All maintenance and fluid services have been completed, including a full tune-up with an XL coil. It has new brakes, KYB shocks, tight steering, no leaks, and ice-cold AC. The truck comes with 22-inch Hellcat replica wheels plus the original 15-inch wheels. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with 77,000 miles on the odometer, powered by its original 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features a white exterior with a blue interior and comes with a clean Arizona title. The truck runs and drives well, is a third-owner vehicle, and has a fully functioning 4x4 system with a cast-iron transfer case and locking hubs. It sits on a 4-inch lift with 32-inch tires and has dual fuel tanks, though the passenger side tank is missing its valve. The windows are original and fully operational. The truck has been sitting for about 4 months but starts right up. It has a very slow transmission leak, will need a new windshield, and shows some rust on the floorboards without structural weakness. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, finished in a classic blue exterior. The truck has been professionally upgraded with a 5.3 LLS engine swap paired to a 4L60E automatic transmission, both having around 145,000 miles. It runs and drives great, offering strong performance and reliability for daily driving or cruising. The suspension has been lowered with a 4/6 drop kit, giving the truck an aggressive stance, while aftermarket front control arms improve ride quality and handling. Although the AC compressor is currently not installed, the factory air conditioning system is still intact and in working condition, making it easy for the next owner to complete the setup if desired.